Subscribe AspDotNet tutorial channel and press the bell icon for latest update videos. Welcome to my channel AspDotNet tutorials. Welcome friends to Angular 6 tutorials. So friends, today we have learned validation in Angular 6. So friends, let's start. So friends, in last video we have learned a form builder. In this video we have learned a validation. So friends, first we have go to CS page and we have add the validators and it's also add this space comma space and write a validators dot validator dot requested. So friends, this is a method. You can write this and go to HTML page and write this. So friends, we have write this code div star ng test form. Friends, test form is a create it already. Test form is equal to this dot form builder group and we have write this and controllers and full name and invalid, and then we have write a dirty and we have write a touched and we have write a CSS class and we have write a show the validation. So friends, we have saved this code. Full name is my writing the here's form group. We have write this properties. So friends, we have write already there's full name for find the class method. We have save and x and ng serve. It's clear. So friends, you can refresh. Okay, one more thing friends, we have removed this, not required. Save. Tracking the error friends. Closing text. Okay. Oh, sorry friends, we have not saved and close the tag. Giving some errors. So friends, you can see error is removed and the click and we have and you can see this. So when we push the error, we have refresh and it show and we have So I hope friends you like the video, and if you like the video friend, please like, share and subscribe, and latest video update press the bell icon for more information like my Facebook page, follow on Instagram and Twitter. There's my Google community. If you have any query friends, you can ask me, comment or email, and visit my website www.asp.netttuorials.com, and thank you for watching videos.